Hey guys, it's Cassie back with another video. Today I have the February Pink and Main box and I have no idea what is in here, so I am very excited to take a look at what is in this box. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open it up. I will of course have it linked down below along with the information about the subscription boxes, but yes, very excited. They always come in these really cool pink boxes, so you know you got pink happiness in your box. So, in your mailbox, that is. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside the kit. Oh, it's always packaged so nicely. Okay, and take a look at this. So, live life in full bloom. Hello, friends. So, it looks like this is the theme here, and there's our color palette. I love the postcard because it always has the color palette on there, so you can pull from your stash of like inks or whatever you might have so that you can match things up, because I like to be matchy-matchy. And this month it's called Enchanted Garden. Yay. All right. A lot of people like to take this and they can sometimes make a card out of it or, you know, save it for whatever. But isn't that cute? Oh, I love the colors. Love the colors. Okay. All right, so I'm going to set this up to the side and then we'll pull things out as we find them. Ooh. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go ahead and start with the cardstock. Oh, look at that. We have a mirror cardstock. That is beautiful. It's just like this pink mirror cardstock. Love it. Sorry if it's causing my camera to freak out. So pretty. Then we have two in ice rink. Then we have this yellow. It's got some nice texture on it. This one is some Granny Smith basil. Then we have some lime crush from basil. We have slipper from basil, and then this Tahitian princess, which is from basil. And isn't that color combo gorgeous? Oh my goodness. So love those. That's some great cardstock. Plenty of stuff there to make lots and lots of cards. Let's get into what comes inside the mesh bag. So I love that they have it in a mesh bag because it makes it so easy to just put all of your stuff in there if you're needing to go on the go or whatever the case may be. It just keeps everything nice and together, which I love. All right, so let's open it up and we'll take a look at what comes in it. I'm just going to be using my little cheat sheet here. All right, so we have some Enchanted Garden chipboard stickers. I loved the chipboard stickers in the last one. I thought they were so cool. And this color palette is just speaking to me. How pretty. You've got this really nice border. Hello, friend. Live life in full bloom. And then we've got several blooms, some circles, some little flags, or little banners, and then, you know, some greenery. How pretty. So there's 19 of those, which is really nice. And they're chipboard, but they're still thin enough that you're not going to have any problem sending that through the mail. Oh, look at the sequin pack. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Those are little flowers. Is that not so, so cute? So we have, oh my goodness, like little blues, greens, yellows, and pinks. Oh, like little iridescent. Those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Love it. And they obviously all match so beautifully. Ooh, here's the paper. All right, let's cut into it. Well, maybe we'll cut into it. All right. And I love their paper because it's double-sided. Oh, golly, yes, yes, yes. Love that. That is gorgeous. Right out of the gate. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, I love that they're double-sided. Just really nice. Oh, yes. Ah, love it. Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Oh, I love that. A lot of great white space on these too. Oh, and then some really beautiful patterns. I love this color. Wow. Ooh, it's going to be hard to want to cut into these, and then it starts over, but goodness sakes, that is gorgeous. Okay. Then we have, oh cute, some enamel dots like before. I think they were before, yes. And I love these colors. So pretty. Match, obviously everything matches so perfectly. Oh, and the ribbon. Oh, look at the ribbon. I love all the dots. And then there's one plain, and then we have this one that has a really pretty like foliage on it. So that's pretty. And as I said before, you know, maybe if you aren't, because I don't typically use a lot of ribbon on mine, but I love to use ribbon to, like, if I've made a set of cards, to tie them up to give to the recipient. I do that a lot. So typically when, you know, my husband and I have places to go, I will bring over like a little stack of cards. And that's a fun way to give those to the recipient. Oh, and then we also have 4 ice rink envelopes. So there we go. Ooh, here's our little flare button, and it says, hello friend. Adorable. Love those. Oh yes. Here is the stencil. Oh, can you see that? That is, I'm going to have to just cut this open. Just going to have to cut it open. I'm very into stencils and glimmer paste and the things you can do with stencils. So, oh, that's so pretty. So let's pull out one of the cardstocks, and then you can see it a little bit better. Isn't that pretty? It's like a Moroccan type. Love it. And it seems pretty delicate, but I think with a little pixie spray we're not going to have any issues. So that is gorgeous. All right, then we have our die. Yes, speaks to me. Oh my goodness, you know that lately I've been making some tags, so I am so excited about this. Oh my gosh, yes, yes. So obviously you're going to be seeing some tags. I am so excited. I may go nutso with the tags. I just can't help it. So yes, all right, wonderful. That's your tag die. And here is our stamp set. Oh my gosh. I love this. Look at, you can, oh, then 2 colors, you can, or use it separate. That's awesome. And then you've got all your little flowers. Thoughts of you brighten my day. Hello friend, just a note, live life in full bloom. And if friends were flowers, I'd always pick you. Oh, I love it. I love this. All right, this is wonderful. And I think this one must layer on top of that one so you can add a little extra color to your greenery. But these are beautiful, how they all go together. Might even go on that one, I'm not sure. Well, we'll just stamp it out and try it. But yes, so pretty. All right, well, so there's the unboxing. I am going to have a video with a few cards for y'all. And so if you want to catch that, make sure that you have subscribed, hit the notification button. It might be a few days before I can get it out. I'm heading out of town to go see my son. And so, but yeah, keep an eye out. I will definitely have stuff made with this kit. I cannot wait to get my hands into it. Oh, I'm almost sad I'm going out of town. But anyway, so if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, like I said, so that you don't miss anything. And head down to the description box so that you can snag this kit, and so that you can check out how to become a subscriber. All right, guys, thanks so much, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.